Imagine a military vehicle that can glide through water, power across rough terrain, and transform to meet the needs of any mission. The Pegaso BMR is that vehicle, an armored, adaptable, all-terrain giant. Over the years, this Spanish-made vehicle has become a legend in several armies worldwide. But the story of the BMR isn't just about power, it's about versatility and survival in the most dangerous conditions. What makes this 6x6 armored vehicle so reliable that it's trusted in countless conflicts, from peacekeeping missions to active combat? In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of the Pegaso BMR, exploring the secrets of its design, its heroic service history, and the ways it continues to adapt to modern warfare. Stay with us until the end to discover why this machine has captivated military minds for decades. When Spain sought a new vehicle for its armed forces in the 1970s, it wanted more than just armor on wheels. The vehicle had to be as comfortable in deserts and mountains as it was in towns and cities. So the Pegaso company began developing a 6x6 platform that could deliver reliable, all-terrain performance. After several prototypes, the first Pegaso BMR was completed in 1975. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a revolutionary design capable of adapting to almost any mission. By 1979, the BMR entered production, and since then, over 1,200 units have been deployed across the globe. At the heart of the BMR's success is its amphibious ability. Equipped with rear hydrojets, this armored vehicle can cross rivers and coastlines, making it invaluable in operations where water is an obstacle. Imagine soldiers navigating flooded fields or crossing swift rivers. The BMR becomes their lifeline. The design of the BMR is also highly practical. It has a spacious roof, allowing it to carry equipment or additional weaponry. Inside, it's designed with the driver's comfort in mind. They control the vehicle from a front-left position, with all vital instruments at their fingertips. But what truly sets the BMR apart is its modularity. This vehicle can be transformed to suit a range of roles. Need a command post? The BMR can be equipped with additional communication equipment to become a mobile command center. Need fire support? The BMR can be mounted with mortars to provide essential firepower on the battlefield. The BMR has evolved with each new conflict. Initially, it was powered by a 306 horsepower engine, which gave it strength and speed. Later, it received an upgraded 310 horsepower engine, enhancing its performance even further. With its automatic transmission and power steering, the BMR maneuvers as smoothly as a civilian vehicle, despite its heavy armor. This vehicle's armor protection is designed for defense against small arms fire and shrapnel from artillery. The glacis plate, sloped at an angle, deflects bullets and fragments, providing essential safety for those inside. Inside the BMR, a fighting compartment allows soldiers to fire from within the vehicle. Side-mounted firing ports mean troops can engage enemies without exposing themselves, turning the BMR into a fortress on wheels. For combat missions, the BMR 600, also known as the BMR PP, is equipped with a powerful armament. This model can be armed with 7.62 mm machine guns, 12.7 mm heavy machine guns, and even a 40 mm automatic grenade launcher. With these options, the BMR can take on light armor, low-flying aircraft, or enemy infantry. The BMR's weapon stations are remotely controlled, so the crew can fire from within the armored protection of the vehicle. This feature is invaluable in dangerous situations where direct exposure would be too risky. The BMR 600 can transport troops safely while providing covering fire, essentially acting as a mobile infantry fighting vehicle. Imagine a team of soldiers under heavy fire, relying on the BMR to shield them while they exit and engage the enemy. The BMR M1 is a modernized variant of the original BMR. It includes not only improved armor but also air conditioning, an important feature for crews operating in hot climates. This variant also received an upgraded engine for better reliability in rough conditions. Spain has developed many specialized versions of the BMR for different battlefield roles. For example, the BMR PC is a command post with advanced communication tools for directing operations. Another variant, the BMR PM81, is equipped with an 81 mm mortar for mobile artillery support. The BMR PM120 carries a larger, 120 mm mortar, providing even greater firepower. The BMR AMB is a battlefield ambulance, able to transport the wounded to safety. Inside, it has room for medical litters, providing emergency care on the move. The BMR Recup is designed for recovery missions, fitted with a crane and winch to rescue damaged vehicles. In a way, It's the BMR that helps other BMRs get back into action. Engineers have their own version, the BMR VCZ, which is fitted with a dozer blade and winch. This version is ideal for clearing obstacles, building defenses, or preparing a path for other vehicles. For communications, the BMR 3560.56 variant operates as a signal vehicle, providing essential support in communication-heavy missions. Explosive ordnance disposal teams use the BMR EDX, a specialized version with a higher roof and bomb disposal tools. This variant is crucial for missions where mines or unexploded bombs pose a threat. During the Cold War, the threat of chemical and biological warfare was a significant concern. The BMR VRACNBQ is a version designed to handle such threats, equipped with protective systems against nuclear, biological, and chemical attacks. Electronic warfare is another field where the BMR shines. The BMR GEL variant is fitted with equipment to disrupt enemy signals, making it an essential tool in modern electronic warfare. Anti-tank warfare also falls within the BMR's capabilities. The BMR C/C Milan is armed with the Milan anti-tank guided missile, while the BMR C/C TOW carries the American-made TOW missile system. These variants enable the BMR to take on armored vehicles and enemy tanks. The BMR's adaptability is demonstrated by its deployment in multiple high-profile missions. It was used extensively in UN peacekeeping missions in the 1990s during the Yugoslav wars, providing both transport and security. Spanish forces deployed the BMR in Afghanistan, where it faced harsh conditions and mountainous terrain. The vehicle proved its durability, supporting troops in areas where few vehicles could operate. In Iraq, Spanish forces used the BMR for various roles, from patrolling to fire support, following the 2003 US-led invasion. The BMR continues to be used in Lebanon, contributing to peacekeeping missions and protecting troops as they monitor the volatile region. The Pegaso VCM1, a variant of the BMR, is armed with a 25mm chain gun in a two-man turret. It has served the Spanish army faithfully, combining the BMR's mobility with firepower suitable for reconnaissance. The Pegaso BMR is more than just an armored vehicle. It's a symbol of Spain's engineering ingenuity and commitment to reliable military equipment. With its adaptability and proven combat record, the BMR family has earned its place in military history. If you enjoyed learning about the BMR and its powerful, versatile design, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you fascinating insights into military technology and more. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and let us know in the comments what other military vehicles you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.